Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cra'Deja if you've never been here before. Today we are going to go ahead and do this beautiful wig that I got from Yolissa. As you guys can see in the beginning of the video, this wig did come as 613 and I did have to, color it myself and whatnot. In the next clip, we'll be showing you exactly how it looks. Or what, it didn't really come out exactly how I wanted it to, but it came out pretty cute. As you can see in this clip here, or like in the previous clip or whatnot, like the quality, the wig, it just looks so different. It looks so different on my GoPro than it does on my phone. So you guys can see how the color looks like more so like a golden champagne color now, but I promise it looked different in person. So when I was installing this wig, I was like, I don't know, this color not really fitting me or whatever. But now that I'm looking back at it, it actually does not look that bad at all. And I did put some crimps in it, and that's how I wore this hair. This hair was very full. It didn't really shed a lot either, with it being 613. Of course, 613 hair is a lot harder to install, but I pretty much got the job done or whatnot. But you guys will see how I'm trying to maneuver my way through this wig, because if you have worked with a 613 wig before, you know how hard it could kind of be to kind of like pluck and everything. But the way that they sent this wig out, the way that they put the hairs on the wig and everything, the lace and everything, it's not super thick. So that's definitely like a pro in my book for this wig for sure. It was very soft even after coloring it. It took me a couple of days to color it because I just been super busy or whatever, but it took a couple of days to color, and even then it still like did really well. So if you guys have watched any of my previous videos, you guys already know how I kind of install my hair or whatnot. If you see a little flashback in this video with my hair, trust me, it's not like that in person. It was definitely melted in person, but you know how 613 hair could pretty much be. On my last video, I had got a lot of people saying how they enjoyed seeing the baby hairs on camera and how I make it look so easy and stuff like that. So I decided to try to attempt it again in this video. Y'all, it did not work out. It did not work out. Like I always say, doing your baby hairs on camera is so hard. It's not like I'm trying to be stingy or whatever. It's just so hard. Like, you end up cutting something you ain't meant to cut, and now you trying to figure out how you gonna make this work, which is exactly what happened in this video. It was in the front of my hair. It wasn't on the sides, it was on the front of my hair. You guys always gonna make sure that I got you guys, and I wanted to show you exactly how the hair looked in its full glory. Again, the dimension, the beautifulness, the waves, the curls. It was very beautiful. This wig is a 28 inch transparent wig from Yolissa, and I actually really like their hair. Like, even with my clients, I tell them, like, hey, it's actually a pretty good company to work with, and also to order from. So definitely worth the money. If they got a 613 wig in HD, hit me up. Hit me up. HD is, that's just what I like. But that's pretty much all for this video, y'all. I will see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching, and peace. Go watch my old videos. Like, subscribe, follow on Instagram, and all that cute stuff, whatever.